Edition of Auto Mechanica. I would like to apprise here that Auto Mechanica partnered with ACMA, and this show is primarily has been started to promote the aftermarket products for and help our Indian component manufacturers to promote these products not only in India but also gives an opportunity for the participants to even export the products. Well, as you know, India is a $35 billion dollar component industry, and out of this, $6 billion goes to the aftermarket. If you see in the last few years, while there has been a slowdown, which all of us are aware of, in the automotive field, but the aftermarket has been growing at the rate of 15%. By 2020, we expect that this figure will go up to about close to approximately $20 billion. And I think with the second edition of Auto Mechanica, what has been and what I've seen over here, there has been practically the number of participants have doubled. This also gives leverage. There have been many people who have come in from outside, from Korea, from China, from Taiwan. It gives leverage and helps Indian companies to see if they can tie up with these companies to manufacture these products if found suitable and help to grow in the Indian aftermarket over here. So if you really ask me, with the doubling of even the square meters from 8,000 to 16,000, I see that going forward with the partnership of ACMA and Auto Mechanica, this is going to take and stride in a big way in the near future, where it will definitely help Indian component manufacturers to increase their sales and their volumes with the growth in the aftermarket in India. Thank you.